Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Thoughtworks direct test hiring exam pattern. How to prepare for the opportunity. In this video we will discuss about the free exam resources as the examination on the 1st June. This video is for 24 to 2019 batch because this is one of the best opportunity. I receive query from all of you that entry closes by 31st May. So why the registration is closed? Okay, that's why I am saying multiple times that apply for opportunity as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last date. Okay, because you are waiting for last date and companies close the registration because they have limit. Okay, they are conducting a challenge on through the Naukri platform and do select platform. So they have one limit that only number of candidates applied for opportunity. Now 23,000 candidates applied for opportunity. Just see this. Okay, we have do select. You can see that 23,895 registrations are there. Okay, and on the page it is mentioned 23.2k plus enrolled. So basically they have limit. That's why I suggest you to ASAP apply for opportunity. Okay, because many candidates applied for opportunity and this type of message is received on our email ID we reserved your spot in the hiring challenge. Do select will share further details about the hiring challenge on your email 1st June. Okay, and it is one day ago. Okay, so let's discuss about the exam pattern and updated syllabus. Basically in the form, what they mention, in the form they mention the phase 1 is 1st June 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So what do you mean by phase 1? Phase means the different dates. Okay, so different dates are there. So I think they are conducting the exam in the form of phases. Okay, first phase is on 1st June. Okay, that is related to 5 to 6 p.m. Basically it is a login time. Okay, or we can say that the login window will be open for that. Okay, and the phase 2 will be on another date because it is shared by them. Okay, so basically the participate in the coding challenge on 1st June 2024 at 5 p.m. One of the most important point, this is 2022 year pattern. Okay, in that they mention 2 programming restricted to Java, Python, Go, C# and Ruby. Basically in the current challenge they even not mention about the languages. So I think most of the language are available for the opportunity. Okay, but in the 2022 this hiring is also for application developer role, and now the hiring for 24 to 2019 batch. Okay, that is also for application developer role. So we can expect the 2 programming question, and in this examination the duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, 2 hours 30 minutes of time for 2 coding question. Okay, so we can expect that same it will be followed for now 2024 examination as well. Okay, because they even not mention about what about the details. Basically it is for women developer 2022 hiring. Just you see that what they mention, 2 programming question. Okay, and the duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. But in this hiring challenge they mention data structures and algorithm, operating system, network, CSE programming. Participate in the coding challenge. This is the package they mention. Eligibility criteria is this. About the organizer they even not mention. On the do select platform they mention phase 1. Okay, and other thing there is no related to that. Okay, that's why we are considering that there are 2 coding questions. Okay, and the duration is most probably 2 hours 30 minutes. So we have to wait for official update from do select team. Okay, but how to prepare for this opportunity? Guys, I already said the package is 11.10 LPA for freshers and 14 LPA, up to 14 LPA is for experience. They have more than 2+ year of experience. And they mention object oriented programming principle, very important. OPS, okay, DS and algo, data structures and algorithm, okay, networking. These all concepts are very important. Operating system, okay, and proficient in at least one programming language, Java, Python, JavaScript, etc. Nice to have these skills. That's why you have to prepare all the things, okay? But what about the preparation? Basically we have to prepare so many coding question, okay, because this is a coding challenge. So I suggest you I am suggesting you one platform that is related to hackerrank. Basically you can go with any platform. Suppose you are solving question on HackerEarth, LeetCode, CodeChef, Codeforces, it's up to you. But in the hackerrank there is one important point. There is a algorithm data structure section. You can open this section. There is problem solving and there is easy level questions are there, medium level questions are there. I suggest you to solve all questions, okay? I suggest you to practice questions on the daily basis, so definitely it will helpful for you, okay? So basically you have to prepare, you have to solve 2 to 3 coding questions on daily basis. And आप मान के चलो in your examination, okay, in your coding examination, DS algo questions will be asked, okay? So as on the hackerrank platform, you will see that in the DSA, okay, like in the algorithms part, search, sorting, string, graph theory, greedy, dynamic programming, recursion, all the questions will be there. In the data structure, you see that the array, linked list, tree, balance tree, stack, queue questions are there. And in the form, like in the hiring challenge, okay, let's close this. In the hiring challenge, what they mention that data structures and algorithm, okay, like demonstrate and understanding, apply your knowledge of data structures and algorithm to solve a complex problem. So we can expect the DS and algo question, so you have to solve. After completing this, if you are top performing participants, you will get a next step related to their process. It will be interview or it will be another round. It will totally depends on them. But definitely they will consider they will check the performance of your technical expertise, object oriented programming concepts, OS, networking, okay, and basically at least one programming language knowledge. So you have to prepare according to that. Or in the hiring challenge, there is no predefined set of questions, okay? We have to just solve the coding question as so many as we can, okay? So it will increase our practice. And yes, let's wait for the next update from DoSelect team and Thoughtworks team. Best wishes for examination. Thanks for watching the video.